BMW engines rarely fail from age alone. Most high-mileage success comes down to specific maintenance habits that many owners overlook. In this video, I'll share 10 technician-backed secrets that help BMW engines reach 300,000 miles, and the final one is often the difference between a smooth engine and an expensive rebuild. Number 1. Cut BMW's oil interval in half. On most modern BMWs, the factory oil change interval is around 10,000 to 15,000 miles, optimized for fleet averages and marketing rather than maximum engine lifespan. Independent BMW specialists and high-mileage owners consistently recommend changing high-quality synthetic oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles instead. More frequent changes keep viscosity stable, reduce sludge in turbo engines, and protect timing chains and bearings during long highway runs. The key is using full synthetic oil that meets the correct BMW long life specification for your engine. Look for LL01, LL04, or LL17 approval printed right on the bottle, and stick to the right viscosity weight that BMW specifies. Name brand oils that BMW specialists trust include Liqui-Moly, Castrol, and Mobil 1, paired with genuine BMW oil filters or OEM equivalents from Mali or MAN. Here's what most people don't understand about BMW's long service intervals. They're designed around average driving conditions and assume you're not pushing the engine hard. But if you're doing short trips, city driving, or spirited driving on weekends, that oil is working much harder than BMW's engineers assumed. Shorter intervals are cheap insurance against expensive engine damage. Used oil from long intervals typically shows more breakdown and contaminants than oil changed more frequently. Fresh oil flows better when cold, lubricates better when hot, and carries away contaminants that would otherwise build up in your engine. High-mileage BMW owners swear by this approach, and it's the single most important thing you can do to extend engine life. Number 2. Always use correct spec fluids. BMW engines are engineered around specific fluid chemistry, and wrong fluids quietly shorten engine life. Many transmissions are marketed as lifetime fill, but the transmission manufacturers themselves specify fluid changes around 60,000 to 80,000 miles to prevent internal wear. Coolant must be BMW approved, phosphate-free and nitrite-free, mixed with distilled water to protect aluminum components and head gaskets. For engine oil, only use products that explicitly state BMW LL01, LL04, or LL17 approval for your specific model year. Don't assume European car on the label is enough. Make sure it explicitly lists the BMW LL approval your engine requires. BMW's approval process tests oils for compatibility with their engine's seals, gaskets, and internal components. Using an oil that doesn't meet spec can contribute to seal issues and accelerated wear over time. Coolant is equally critical and often overlooked. BMW coolant is specially formulated to protect aluminum engine blocks and heads from corrosion and electrolysis. Replace it every 4 to 5 years with BMW approved coolant mixed with distilled water, and always bleed the system properly to avoid hot spots that can crack cylinder heads. Transmission fluid changes are controversial because BMW calls many of their automatics lifetime fill. But ZF, which makes many BMW automatics, recommends fluid and filter changes roughly every 60,000 to 80,000 miles in their own maintenance guidance. Fresh fluid keeps internal components lubricated and prevents the harsh shifting and slipping that leads to expensive transmission rebuilds. Number 3. Proactively rebuild the cooling system. Overheating is one of the fastest ways to crack a cylinder head, warp an aluminum block, or cook a head gasket on a BMW. Water pumps, thermostats, expansion tanks, and plastic fittings commonly fail by 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Waiting for them to fail can mean instant overheating and thousands of dollars in engine damage. The smart approach is replacing your water pump and thermostat proactively around 80,000 to 100,000 miles. especially on engines with known cooling system weak points, like the N54 and early N55. At the same time, inspect all hoses, the radiator, expansion tank, and heater core fittings, replacing anything that's brittle, seeping, or showing signs of age. BMW cooling systems use a lot of plastic components that become brittle over time. The expansion tank, radiator end tanks, and various fittings will eventually crack, usually at the worst possible moment. Replacing these components as a complete system during scheduled maintenance is far cheaper than dealing with roadside breakdowns and potential engine damage. Here's the most important rule about BMW overheating. If your temperature gauge ever climbs into the red, shut the engine off immediately and have the car towed. Don't try to limp it home or to a repair shop. Aluminum engines can warp or crack in minutes once they overheat, turning a few $100 cooling system repair into a multi-$1,000 engine rebuild. Number 4. Treat cold starts like surgery, not a race. Most engine wear happens when the oil is cold and thick and hasn't fully circulated to all the bearings and moving parts. Revving hard or loading a cold BMW engine, especially turbocharged models, accelerates ring wear, bearing damage, and turbo failure. The oil needs time to warm up and reach proper viscosity before you ask the engine to work hard. Let your engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds after starting, then drive gently until both the coolant and oil reach normal operating temperature. Often, this takes a few minutes of gentle driving, depending on outside temperature and engine. Avoid short trips where the engine never fully warms up, as these cause fuel dilution in the oil and moisture buildup in the crankcase. Don't floor the accelerator or hit the red line until the car is completely warm. A good rule of thumb is granny it for the first few miles, then enjoy it. The oil temperature gauge, if your BMW has one, should read at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit before you start driving aggressively. Cold oil doesn't protect bearings properly, and cold turbos are particularly vulnerable to damage. Turbocharged BMWs need extra care during warm-up because the turbo spins at extremely high speeds and depends on oil pressure for lubrication and cooling. Cold, thick oil doesn't flow properly through the tiny passages in the turbo, leading to bearing wear and eventual failure. A few minutes of patience during warm-up can save you thousands in turbo replacement costs. Number 5. Stay ahead on ignition and fuel system maintenance. Weak spark and dirty fuel delivery don't just hurt power, they cause misfires that damage catalytic converters, turbochargers, and pistons over time. Many modern BMWs recommend spark plugs somewhere in the 30,000 to 60,000 mile range, depending on the engine, and ignition coils often fail gradually rather than catastrophically. Modern direct injection BMWs also suffer from carbon buildup on intake valves that requires periodic cleaning. Replace spark plugs on the early side of BMW's recommended interval and always use OEM or equivalent plugs and coils. Cheap aftermarket ignition components can cause misfires that damage expensive engine components. NGK, Bosch, and Delphi are trusted brands that meet BMW's specifications for heat range and electrode design. Use top-tier premium gasoline and add fuel system cleaner occasionally to reduce carbon deposits. Direct injection engines are particularly prone to intake valve carbon buildup because fuel doesn't wash over the valves like it does in port injection engines. On some direct injection BMWs, owners and shops often do walnut blasting around 40,000 to 60,000 miles if symptoms appear. High-pressure fuel pumps in direct injection BMWs are another common failure point. These pumps operate at extremely high pressures and can fail suddenly, leaving you stranded. Symptoms include rough idle, hesitation under acceleration, and fuel pressure codes. Replacing a failing fuel pump before it leaves you stranded prevents potential engine damage from lean running conditions. Number 6. Replace key components before they fail. Some BMW parts behave like time bombs. They often fail at some point in the car's life, so it's safer to assume they'll need replacement. Fuel pumps, PCV systems, plastic breather hoses, and certain cooling components are classic examples. When they fail suddenly, they can cause lean conditions, overheating, or oil starvation that damages the engine permanently. Consider replacing your high-pressure fuel pump or in-tank fuel pump around 100,000 miles instead of waiting for a no-start condition or lean misfires that can damage pistons and catalytic converters. PCV and CCV systems should be refreshed before the hoses crack and cause vacuum leaks or excessive oil consumption that can ruin your catalytic converters. Think of this as planned upgrades at mileage milestones rather than emergency repairs. As a rough guide, many owners budget for cooling system refresh around 80,000 miles, fuel system components around 120,000 miles, and transmission service and major engine gaskets around 160,000 miles. But always adjust for your specific engine and service history. The key is understanding your specific BMW's weak points and addressing them before they cause problems. N54 engines need fuel pumps and injectors. N55 engines need oil filter, housing gaskets, and valve cover gaskets. B58 engines have generally proven more robust so far, but still benefit from shorter oil intervals and attention to the cooling system. Number 7. Keep the engine breathing clean. Restricted airflow and dirty fuel raise combustion temperatures and stress the engine unnecessarily. Clogged air filters reduce performance and fuel economy while forcing the engine to work harder to breathe. Old fuel filters contribute to misfires, lean conditions, and fuel pump strain that can cause expensive failures. Replace air and cabin filters on schedule, and change air filters more often if you drive in dusty conditions. A clean air filter allows the engine to breathe properly and maintains the correct air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion. Dirty or clogged filters can skew MAF readings and hurt performance and economy, and in extreme cases can contribute to unhealthy running. Even if BMW doesn't list a regular interval, many owners still choose to replace fuel filters preventively on higher mileage cars. Fuel filters protect expensive fuel injectors and high-pressure fuel pumps from contamination. A clogged filter can cause fuel starvation that leads to lean running conditions and engine damage. Check intake boots and charge pipes for cracks or leaks that can cause unmetered air to enter the engine. These rubber and plastic components become brittle over time and can develop small cracks that cause vacuum leaks. Unmetered air confuses the engine management system and can cause lean running conditions that damage pistons and valves. Number 8. Protect the electrical system and battery. Modern BMWs rely heavily on stable voltage for proper operation. Low or unstable voltage can cause control modules and sensors that manage fueling and ignition to behave erratically. A weak battery forces the alternator to work harder and can introduce voltage drops that stress electronics and sensors that protect the engine. Replace aging batteries before they fail completely, and always register new batteries properly so the charging system calibrates correctly. BMW's intelligent battery management system needs to know the battery specifications to charge it properly and prevent overcharging or undercharging that shortens battery life. Keep electrical grounds and main power connections clean and tight, especially under hood ground straps and chassis connections. Corroded or loose connections can cause voltage drops that make electronic systems behave unpredictably. Clean battery terminals and apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Avoid cheap aftermarket sensors, especially mass airflow sensors, oxygen sensors, and crankshaft position sensors. Poor sensor data leads to incorrect fuel delivery and ignition timing, which can quietly damage the engine over time. Stick to OEM or high-quality aftermarket sensors from brands like Bosch, Continental, or Delphi. Number 9. Drive it hard the right way. Engines that are never exercised can develop carbon buildup and stuck piston rings, while engines that are constantly abused when cold or overloaded will fail early. The sweet spot is regular, fully warmed up driving that occasionally uses the full RPM range to blow out moisture and carbon deposits. Once the engine is completely warm, give it occasional higher RPM pulls within reason to exercise all the components and clear out carbon deposits. This doesn't mean beating on the engine, but rather using the full RPM range that BMW designed it for. Engines that never see high RPMs can develop carbon buildup and sluggish performance. Avoid lugging the engine at very low RPM under heavy load. If you need more power, downshift instead of flooring the accelerator at 1,500 RPM in a high gear. Lugging puts excessive stress on bearings and can cause knocks that damage pistons and rings. Aim for mostly highway miles when possible, when your lifestyle allows, as steady-state cruising is far easier on the engine than constant short city trips with frequent cold starts. Highway driving allows the engine to reach and maintain proper operating temperature, burns off moisture and contaminants, and provides the kind of consistent operation that promotes long engine life. Number 10. Use a trusted BMW specialist and diagnostic tools. Catching small issues early is what separates a 150,000-mile BMW from a 300,000-mile one. A lot of high-mileage owners choose to work with experienced independent BMW shops after warranty expires for more thorough inspections and realistic maintenance intervals. Regular diagnostic scans can reveal misfires, fuel trim issues, and small problems long before they become expensive engine damage. Build a relationship with a reputable BMW-focused workshop that understands common failure patterns on your specific chassis and engine combination. These specialists see the same problems repeatedly and can spot potential issues before they become major failures. They also understand which maintenance intervals make sense for real-world driving versus BMW's marketing-driven service schedules. At each service visit, ask for a comprehensive health check that includes checking for leaks, worn engine mounts, cooling system condition, and scanning for stored fault codes and live data. Many problems show up in the computer long before you notice symptoms, and catching them early can prevent expensive secondary damage. Keep detailed maintenance records and document all preventive work. This helps you stay on schedule for important services and can significantly increase resale value when it's time to sell. A well-documented maintenance history shows potential buyers that the car has been cared for properly, which is especially important for high-mileage BMWs. These 10 secrets aren't really secrets at all. They're the basic principles that separate BMWs that make it to 300,000 miles from those that don't. The key is treating your BMW like the precision machine it is, with regular maintenance using quality parts and fluids, proactive replacement of known weak components, and driving habits that work with the engine rather than against it. Follow these guidelines consistently, and you give your BMW engine a real shot at 300,000 miles, while still enjoying that ultimate driving machine experience. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.